Hi, my name is Kate. I'm a Proofread Anywhere graduate living here in Rome, Italy. This is going to be my third year of proofreading as my full-time job, and I can honestly say that Proofread Anywhere completely changed my life. I found Proofread Anywhere when I had been out of work for about 2 years, and I was feeling a little intimidated about re-entering the workforce, so I started looking for ways that I could work from home and still earn a full-time income. And I found Proofread Anywhere. It sounded like a really great fit for me, but it also sounded a little bit too good to be true. But I'm here to tell you that it is the single best investment I have made in myself in my entire life, and that includes four-year university and other higher education. The skills that I learned in this course completely set me up to have my own business, work from home, and earn a full-time income, doing something that I actually enjoy. I'm so thankful for so many things, including the independence that I gained from working for myself, and also the confidence after not working for so long. I've met so many amazing clients all over the country that are just the kindest, most genuine people, not to mention the amazing community of Proofread Anywhere grad that I've had the pleasure of becoming a part of. If you have any hesitation about taking this course, let me tell you right now, if you're willing to work hard and learn the skills that you need to do this work, you can absolutely work from home on your own terms and earn a full-time income. There's no shortage of work out there. Trust me, I am completely busy, and this year has been my biggest year financially, even with all of the ups and downs that we've gone through. Take it from me as a real person who really took the course and is really working full-time as a proofreader and has been for the last 3 years. Don't hesitate to invest in yourself, because it is 100% worth it. And as long as you're willing to work hard, you can absolutely do this. You can absolutely do it full time, and there's literally no limit to what you can accomplish.